Meet the ENERPAT Twin Ram Baler, the heavy-duty solution for high-volume diverse material recycling. As a British brand waste expert, it handles waste cardboard and more. Feed materials via conveyor, compress with powerful force, and output dense. Equipped with intelligent touch control and imported automatic wire tire, it handles not only waste cardboard but also plastic bottles, woven bags, aluminum profiles, industrial and domestic waste. Ideal for various recycling scenarios, trusted globally with numerous installations.